Welcome to the 10-Day English Learning Challenge. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 1 of our 10-Day English Learning Challenge. I'm Jennifer, and I'm thrilled that you've decided to join me on this exciting journey. Over the next 10 days, we'll be diving into some fantastic English stories, learning new vocabulary, practicing pronunciation, and most importantly, having fun while improving our English skills. Each day, we'll explore a new story, break down key vocabulary, and practice together. This challenge is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're just starting out. By the end of these 10 days, you'll feel more confident in your English abilities, and you'll have a great time along the way. Introduction to Day 1 Story. Let's kick things off with our first story. Today's story is called The Friendly Stranger. It's a simple and engaging story that will help you practice basic English conversation. Before we begin, I'll introduce a few key words and phrases that will help you understand the story better. Here are some important words to remember. Stranger, noun, someone you don't know. Friendly, adjective, being kind and nice to others. Introduce, verb, to tell someone your name and maybe a little about yourself. Conversation, noun, a talk between two or more people. Now that we know these words, let's dive into the story. Story, The Friendly Stranger. It was a sunny afternoon in the city. Jenny, a young English learner, was sitting alone in a park, reading her English book. She was practicing her vocabulary when a stranger walked by. The stranger smiled and said, "Hello. My name is Veronica. Do you mind if I sit here?" Jenny was a little nervous, but she remembered her lessons. She replied, "Hello. I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you." Veronica sat down and they started talking. Jenny introduced herself, telling Veronica that she was learning English. Veronica was impressed and asked Jenny if she wanted to practice together. They talked for a while, and Jenny felt more confident with each sentence. Veronica shared stories about her travels and how she had learned new languages by talking with locals. Jenny listened carefully, asking questions and practicing her English. They discussed their favorite books, hobbies, and even their favorite foods. The conversation flowed naturally, and Jenny was surprised at how much she was able to say. By the end of their conversation, Jenny had learned new words and made a new friend. She realized that practicing English with others was a great way to improve. Veronica gave Jenny some tips on how to practice every day and encouraged her to keep going. Break down and practice. Wasn't that a great story? Now, let's go over some of the key phrases from the story and practice them together. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Jenny. Nice to meet you. I'm learning English. Do you want to practice together? What is your favorite book? I'm practicing my English every day. It's great to meet new people. Let's talk again soon. Great job. Now, let's practice using these phrases in different situations. Interactive exercise. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're meeting someone new. How would you introduce yourself? Take a moment to think about it, and then say it out loud. You can start with, "Hello. My name is I'm learning English. Nice to meet you. Awesome. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. For today's challenge task, I want you to introduce yourself to someone in English. It could be a friend, a family member, or even in the comments below. Practice using the phrases we learned today and share your experience with us. Don't forget to use the words stranger, friendly, introduce, and conversation in your introduction. That's it for day 1 of our 10-day English learning challenge. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow for another exciting story and more practice. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Also, comment for more videos like this, and check out the playlist on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.